Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the new gaming smartphone is here from ZTE, the Nubia Red Magic 6 series. Announced it with the latest and higher refresh rates, the Red Magic lineup from Nubia has established itself as one of the leader in the gaming smartphone world. The latest edition are the Red Magic 6 and 6 Pro. The Pro sport a faster 120-watt charging up to 18 gigs of RAM and a 512 gigs of storage alongside a more aggressive design. The rest of the specifications are identical across both models. The Red Magic 6 all two smartphones are the first phone to launch with a 165Hz refresh rate screens. They also pack the flagship Snapdragon 888 chipset fan cooling and run Red Magic OS 4 based on the Android 11. The star of the show is undoubtable the 6.8-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display with a 165Hz adaptive refresh rate. When the screen is not showing dynamic content, it's dropped to 30Hz, but it can quickly scale up to 120Hz in menus or apps and up to 165Hz in supported games title. The panel also support a 360Hz multi-touch sampling rate and up to 500Hz one finger touch sampling rate. The display support 10-bit color and also feature a fingerprint scanner tucked below the screen. The signature touch sensitivity shoulder trigger make a return on this year Magic 6 and 6 Pro and now support 400Hz touch sampling rate for the minimizing input latency. Another Red Magic staple, the active cooling fan air, is also present and now spins it up to 18,000 rpm on the Red Magic 6 and the 20,000 rpm on the Pro to help keep thermal in a check. Both models are also outfitted with a serval copper heat skins that further boosting cooling. Around the glass back we find a triple camera setup headlined by 64 megapixel primary camera. There is also 8 megapixel ultra wide snapper and a 2 megapixel macro camera. The Snapdragon 888 chipset on the Red Magic 6 series is paired with a STD-PR5 RAM, UFS 3.1 storage. The top of the range Red Magic 6 Pro transparent edition come with a whopping 18 gigs of RAM and a 512 gigs of storage. The battery on the Red Magic 6 is a 5050 mAh and supports 65 watts fast charging, which does a full top up in 38 minutes. The Pro downscale capacity 4500 mAh but offer 120 volt charging, which is tutored 0 to 50% in just a 5 minute. The Nubia Red Magic 6 starting Chinese yuan 3799 equal $587 for the 8 gigs and 128 gigs storage. You can also select between the 12 128 gigs version for the Chinese yuan 4099 equals $634 or 12 gigs 256 gigabytes variant for the Chinese yuan 4399 equal $680. The Red Magic 6 Pro starting Chinese yuan 4399 equals $680 for the 12 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage trim. There's also available 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs Chinese yuan 4799 Chinese yuan and 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gigabytes version available in Chinese yuan 5299. The top of the range transparent edition with 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs storage come out for the Chinese yuan 5599 equal $865, while the absolutely maxed out 18 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage will be available in $1020, which is Chinese yuan 6599 yuan. So this is the latest gaming smartphone. Let me know in the comment section. Also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.